This is the UPND who are now starting ferrying cadres, but look at the quality of the cadres who are in that vehicle. Those are junkies. Those are junkies without NRCs, without voters card. They have just probably given money. But I want also you to pay attention to the reaction of the people. Sorry about that. Let me come. The reaction of the people around as this vehicle carrying junkies is passing by. Look at the reaction of the people. No one is paying attention. No one is paying attention. No one is paying attention to what is happening. People are quiet, no noise. And those junkies have been put in the sides to show as if that tipper truck is full. But because of an elevation, my profile is higher than this, I can show that that vehicle is not full. But of course, if you are standing on the ground, you will be cheated to say that vehicle is full. But look at what is there. This is today when there's supposed to be a big rally. Yes, and the president is supposed to come. This is the Kitwe ShopRite. This is Kitwe ShopRite. This is Kitwe ShopRite. Look at the people. No one is bothered. No one is paying attention to what is happening. No one is paying attention to what is happening. The tipper carrying those young men, unfortunately, I don't want to call them by their name because I'll be disrespectful. But you can hear them hooting. You can hear the vehicle hooting and them trying to draw attention. But no one is paying attention. This is Kitwe Center, town center. No one is paying attention. People are just walking and no one is paying attention. No one is paying attention. And then you come and say, no, copper belt comes to a standstill at berry belt, whatever they want to call it. This is a shame. Nothing. You can still hear, of course, the tipper truck is no longer in sight now because of the position I'm standing. But no one paid attention. This is what UPND are up against in Kitwe today. Probably they need to dig more. They need to ferry people from all the way from Lusaka, Kabwe, Mukushi, and everywhere. But not here. Certainly not here.